Welcome, folks, to another round of Humans of DataHub. Today, we are joined by my colleague Paul from our DevRel team, and also Pablo Ochoa from our DataHub community. Pablo, give us an introduction. Tell us who you are, where you work, what you do, all that fun
Okay,
stuff.
so I'm Pablo. I'm from Spain, and I'm currently working at a company called Bosonit that is also based here in Spain. And I mean, we're not such a big company, so we have kind of a team up with another company that's called The Week, that is kind of a venture builder and kind of help us get through, the initial tough times of, starting up and all that
Sure.
things. So we're basically a big data platform that we are looking for to be known for its security, for its versatility. I mean, we are looking also to be kind of modular, like not to give all the services to our users, just exactly what they need.
Sure.
So I mean, we are also as I mentioned before, to be kind of the secure as possible, because that is nowadays, if not the most important thing, one of the most important things. And that's pretty much about it. Like, I am also, about my role and what I do here is like, I'm the big data and data governance consultant, and I'm the responsible of kind of doing all the developments here of data governance, that in this case is and DataHub. And that's pretty much about it, our introduction.
Awesome. And so how did you, I know you've been in the DataHub community for a while, maybe, well, what is it, November? So a few months at least. How did you find DataHub? Like, what were the reasons that you were starting to even look for a metadata platform or a data catalog?
So about kind of a year ago here at Graphenos, we kind of questioned ourselves. Like, we wanted kind of a data governance tool, because we knew kind of some tools, for example, like Lumada or Apache Atlas or something like that, but we were not sure which one would be the best. So we kind of did like a bit of study of our research, and we took into account like the most important tools that were recently there. So we after a few months of study, we finally decided to choose DataHub because it stood out for its state of the art, both architecture and dependencies, and also because it's kind of easy to deploy. Its dependencies is not such a big deal, because other tools had kind of 200s, 2000s tools.
Oh, God.
So
oh no.
they were kind of old to be, so they were not kind of the thing we were looking for, and DataHub is just perfect.
Yeah, and so you've been so active in the community since you've joined, and we're really grateful for that. And one of the things that we're really curious about is what do you enjoy most about the DataHub community? What keeps you going?
I mean, for me, it's kind of the variety and the knowledge of people. Like, at least in my opinion, kind of a great part of the community is not like an expert in something specific, because in my opinion it's quite a hard task. So there's such a lot of people and such a lot of interest in helping each other. Like, everyone kind of puts its small grain, and then we started building, and it's like the dream teamwork. Like, I don't know, like, as we have been in other people's shoes, like, we have developed data, and maybe we have encountered some problems, like we could help others from there, and it's kind of great. And then of course, the kindness of these people, like, they're always eager to help you at any time. Really any time. So,
it's nonstop.
Yeah, because there's people, I don't know, from United States, from India, from Europe,
From
from everywhere.
everywhere.
So yeah,
Yeah.
kind of
I
great.
think the last time, I mean, we don't have great visibility into it, but from what I can tell, I think we have people from, it was like 58 or 62, like 58 to 62 countries,
Wow.
which is just,
Yeah,
it's
big
just
numbers there.
remarkable, right? It's
Yeah.
just totally remarkable. And so, yeah, it's literally any time of the day, there's a
Yeah.
conversation happening. It's a good reminder to turn your phone off sometimes because
Yeah, because you have to
it
take
can
a
be a
rest
lot.
sometimes from
Yeah,
time to time.
exactly.
Well, what has DataHub really enabled within your organization? What are some of the cool things you built or continue to build?
Well, just to mention a few things, like, for example, the automated metadata ingestion. Like,
Mm,
it allows our users to just kind of get instant metadata information of all their data tools. So it's kind of having a centralized place in some
hmm.
sort, and being able to define glossary terms or even domains that will help you either understand things better or to have everything like uh, in separate boxes,
Sure.
so that like nothing gets confused or there's no trouble in there. So yeah, I think that would be the two most remarkable things.
What are you excited about? Like, what would you like to see happen in the Data Hub community in the next 6 months, 12 months? Yeah,
Mhm.
what's going to happen? What would you like
I
to see?
mean, I would like to see a bit of like an improvement on on more like aspects, security aspects. Like,
Mm,
I've been doing some testing with, for example, the Apache Ranger integration,
hmm.
and I have found that there are maybe some little things that could be patched up. Like, for example, there's just basic authentication, and yeah, I would like to see that, and also I'm trying to get into that. I'm trying to read bit by bit the source code. Like, I'm
Sure.
willing, I'm hoping to contribute someday. I mean,
Awesome.
short term. But yeah, I would also like to see, like, for example, what users could deny. I mean, to be able to deny what a user can see. Like,
Mm,
that's kind of a main problem to some sort.
yeah.
Like, every user can see everything.
Yeah.
So yeah, that would be the only two aspects, because yeah, as I said before, data is quite great.
That's awesome. Yeah, the we're starting to hear from folks that are, ingesting tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of entities, that like the human brain can only take in so much information, right? So we need to figure out how to curate those, and also for security reasons, hide
Yeah,
like, sensitive or
yeah,
data that shouldn't be accessed by every single person. So
yeah.
I'm really excited. I think the saved views, I don't know if you were in town hall. I can't remember if you were there or not. If you're in the
No,
October town
I,
hall.
yeah, I
Yeah,
wasn't there.
we have a saved view feature that's coming out that I think will be really, really helpful there, where we can really start to
Hmm.
like curate and really kind of hide
Yeah,
just irrelevant or sensitive, or
yeah,
all
but
of that
that,
kind of
yeah,
stuff. Yeah, I'm excited about it.
yeah, me too.
And so, do you have a favorite DataHub Slack channel? I know I see you active in troubleshoot and some other stuff. Is there one that you like above all others?
Well, yeah, there's all things deployment that I kind of like it, because it's not like just one thing. It's not
Sure.
just, I mean, ingesting that. It's also a great channel, but it's such a versatile channel that you can either you can have a myriad of things that you can either learn from or try to help. Like, it's really, really great. I mean,
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, there's no shortage in variety of ways to
no,
deploy these days. It's pretty remarkable.
yeah.
All right, one last question for you. if you met someone on the street or in your office and they were like, oh my God, I'm going to join DataHub, what would you tell, like, what advice would you give them?
I mean, I would just tell them to basically be gentle with people, because once you get started with kind of slacking with others and all that stuff, it's just natural for you to kind of be eager to help others. Like like there's just things that come out of you naturally. So there's just not so much advice I would give. Like, just be yourself and kind of be gentle to others, and that
Yeah,
would be kind of it.
I love that.
Great advice.
I love that. Well, Pablo, thank you so much for taking the time. Like we said, we are so grateful to have you here. You really are a shining example of, how to show up and be a strong contributor in a variety of ways, and helping everybody else be successful. So thank you for your time. We
Thank you
appreciate
too.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.